Everyone. Hello, everyone. Now we are going to discuss today about LMS, the Learning Management System of ESGPro Mastery Institute. Look, I have already shared with you the link. If you don't have, you need to go to your browser and type learn.esgproinvest.com. Yeah, that's the website on which your learning management system basically sits. You can go from here. Also, you can go from esgproinvest.com, and then you have to try their login. Yeah. So if you see here, there is a login button. So if you click that login button, or you directly type learnesgproinvest.com, you will reach to the same point, which is your learning management website. Now, there are 3 steps here. If you are a new, you have yet not enrolled yourself, I have already shared an email to you with all the login credential, like I'm just showing one of the example here, where you can also click there and follow these 4 steps. I will take you through those 4 steps today. So it will make your life easier and you can use this learning management system to its full potential. Now, as you can see, there are 4 buttons at the top, and then you have a register button. If you have yet not registered, you need to register first. So either you come here or come here. Both places you have a registration option. If you are registered, you can directly log in. You don't need to register yourself again and again. If you have not registered, you need to pull full detail. For example, I'm just giving an example here. So say I want to register for Rajesh. Yeah, Rajesh is first name, S is, and I want to keep Rajesh underscore S is his username. So his first name is Rajesh. Last name is say Singh, and his email ID. I have to choose an email ID where I can receive user, password credentials. So I have to use a correct one. So let me try with any one. Yeah, so that's the email. And please take a good password, which you can remember. At the same time, it's a strong enough so nobody can access your particular data. Yeah, and then you just register. The moment I will register, of course, the email has been used in past. So it is giving me another result. Let's see if this email ID is working.
I've registered and I validated. Now I'm into the site.
Absolutely. You need to go to your email ID and validate it. So I have already created one. So I will use the one instead of doing it new registration. So you got the point, right? You need to go to your email, check the validation message. Once you have received this message, just put that code and you are ready to go. Now you need to do login. Now I have created several IDs. I will take one and I will try to log in. The moment you will log in, this is the screen you will have. Here, ideally, you should upload your photographs so you know it's your particular dashboard, and all the details has to be correct because your certificate will be issued, and we have a certificate even for each of the end of chapter questions. So you can have a certificate coming from each chapters as well. So ideally, put the right details. So tomorrow, if you want to get your certificate, it's in the system and you can get it. Keep your phone number, email ID, so we can reach you faster. Also put your biography. So when people are interacting to each other, they know about you. Yeah. And this is a start. So maybe tomorrow we will have 1,000 people interacting to each other on the website. Yeah. Which is a future. Now you see what all are there. So right now, this particular user doesn't have enrolled in any program. And that may be the case for you if you are registering as well. So what we need to do, we need to go to course list first in that case. And there are several courses which are available. 2 of them are definitely made available to you free of cost. One is CFA ESG investing. So you can access it for a 1 year uninterrupted or till the you pass. Yeah, that's the guarantee we are taking. So 6 months to 1 year, till the time you pass, this is given to you free of cost. Same with the CFA ESG question bank as well. Both of them, you can enroll it free. Yeah, most of you have already completed 2 days or 3 days program. So that is also available for 3 months free for you. Yeah. Now, the moment you will select both of them, you will get such kind of checkout page. Okay. So you have selected based on current whatever pricing is going on that basis, 24,000 for question bank, 49,000 for certification program. That is not applicable to you. Why? Because you have already paid the money. So you have to go to proceed to checkout, fill the details as much as you can. And when you are filling, we have given a special access to right now to you people cash on delivery because you have already paid money to me. That has been counted as cash on delivery. So don't touch phone pay solution at this point in time, please. Just select cash on delivery. Yeah. And if you want to add note, you can just say already paid. So our team can come to know that you need not to pay it again. You have already paid and you can place the order. The moment you will place the order, both courses will be made available to you. Okay. You see, you are now enrolled to both the courses. Clear? Of course, that program will be removed in a couple of days. So please enroll it before I stop cash on pay because that we are going to stop. This is only available for first cohort, which has paid money, before the LMS. But if you are tomorrow, you are going to join after we stop it, you need to pay the money. Okay. So that's the trouble there. Now, once you have access to it, see what are the benefits to it. So let's start with our main program, which is a video program, which is CFA ESG certification program, which is our 3+3 month program, where we are covering the practice as well as theoretical part of ESG certification. Now, it has been arranged according to the chapters which are there in the book. This is updated for 2024 as well. Currently, we have the raw videos, which you already have access to, but slowly we will have a shorter version of videos as well. And by the way, for your particular cohort, we have created a marathon revision class, which is going to happen in March, and that I am combining with BRSR as well. So there is a 2 day of BRSR reporting workshop and then 2 days of CFA investing workshop, which is basically covering all 9 chapters in approximately 10 to 12 hours. So we'll sit for 6 + 6 hour minimum, 12 hours for 2 days on weekend, plus simultaneously we'll be also completing BRSR reporting because it is linked, but that's an independent separate workshop. So that is optional for you. Yeah, you can join or you cannot join. And there will be bare minimum fee as well because it's a completely different workshop. But this one, marathon, will have approximately 15 to half an hour spent on each of these chapters where I will cover the important points, important questions in that particular. So 9 chapters, 12 hours. So you can understand each chapter will get approximately 1 hour and 15 minutes. So I'm going to summarize everything succinct way, and we will try to cover as much as possible in those 2 days. This is going to happen somewhere in end of the March if we go according to our time plan, along with BRSR. Yeah, BRSR workshop, because BRSR reporting is getting mandatory third-party assurance from next year, which is on 1st of April. So that means there will be huge scope for people who understand the reporting part of it. So I will definitely request you guys to spread as much as you can because your friends can get benefited who wants to report on a BRSR, yeah, in their own company, or they are the scope 3 companies where they are vendors to large companies. Because when assurance come into play, then people will check. Yeah. And in that case, employee has to be aware about reporting. And whoever will be aware, of course, they will get better promotion, better positions in their company. So we are going aggressive with our own self, but please do spread this knowledge that we are running that. And along with ESG investing 2 days class will also happen, which is exclusively, of course, this is for you guys to summarize this all chapters. Right now, we have more than 50 hours of videos. Can you believe it? Yeah, when we started, we were expecting 30 to 40 hours of videos. We have 50 hours of videos, and I'm expecting this course will have 60 hours of videos. Of course, CFA Institute has now recommending additional 20 hours. They are not saying 100 hours any longer. They are saying minimum of 140 hours you should spend. Out of that, 60 plus 12 hours, so approximately 72 hours I'm going to cover in the LMS itself. Yeah, that's the advantage you have. So you need not to spend additional time on your own. As long as you have these videos and you are reviewing it at particular interval, I'm damn sure you people will crack it. Yeah. And I will make sure you are cracking it. Anyway, there is a pass guarantee program which we are applying to you as well, and hopefully you will pass in the first attempt, because I don't want you to spend money again and again. Please understand. Okay. So for example, now how these courses are arranged. So every chapter has modules. Now these are 4 or 5 modules because we are covering a lot of practical aspect as well. So here we are not only talking about the curriculum chapter 1, but also we are covering practical ESG aspects. Okay. So you have all the modules with the hour they require you to spend, along with end of chapter questions. Okay. So for example, I want to watch this video. You can watch this video at your free time. You can increase speed based on your requirement because you have already watched. You can increase the speed to 1.5, and you can listen in the full program at faster speed. You can increase, decrease wherever you want to reach in the discussion. So that's how the videos are arranged. Each chapter has the video relevant to that particular chapter, and then there is an end of chapter questions as well. Yeah, approximately each chapter. Now I am creating a question bank independently, which we will see now. This is, of course, some questions are common between this and that. We have all right now, except chapter 9, all chapters are populated. Okay. So whatever you will find on the links which I have shared, you can find here as well. Clear? So that's our video lecture class, which is available for everyone. So please register right away and start accessing at your free time. So you are traveling, use this video on audio mode and listen in. It will definitely rebrush your concept. It will bring to you up to the speed, and also it will help you to revise. Yeah, that's the course number 1. Now let's go to the second module, which is available, made exclusively available to our first cohort.
I've registered and I'm able to access.
You are able to access?
Yes, since you told place order, all done.
Achha, you have completed it. Wonderful. So that's a good news. What about others? Santosh Mistry, are you able to access the program?
I will try today, sir. I will try.
Just try it. If you find any issues, I am there. Sandeep is there. We will help you to get through this. Now, second one, which is critical, and I think this is the most demanded feature from us. A lot of people online have asked, do you have question bank? Yeah. Do you have practice question bank? Look, there are question bank, but they are just useless. Yeah. Half of the question you can't understand. So what we have done, we have specifically designed a question bank which starts with very low level of understanding, the basics, and then it tests you to the ESG level. So it gives you a progressive, progressive testing. So it doesn't test you straight away with 200 question where you don't know half of it and you lose your all confidence. So what it does, it tests you with 10 question each time. And each time there will be different question. We have populated with more than 700 questions. Nobody else in the market is able to create 700 questions for you. So these 700 questions doesn't only test you at the ESG CFA level, but it also tests you at the concept level. Okay. So it gives you a confidence throughout the way. And you can, each time you will try and you will find a different question. So it is not a repetitive question. We have more than 4 mock tests, which is coming up. First mock test, which is different than what you have attempted. 60-70% of the question is same. 30% question has been added. The format has been changed. What we have done there, We are right now giving you access to only 10 questions. Try that. Once you are confident, then you will get the full length mock question at end of March. Yeah. And then we will have also 3 other mocks, which will be equivalent to the ESG level. So now let's go to the question bank. So this is how the question bank look like. So if I want to access the question bank, do I have access to it? Okay.
I'm not able to see the screen which you're showing, but I've got a different screen. I've got this up till chapter 7.
Correct. That's the one. So I don't know why you are not able to see. Nobody is able to see my screen.
No, I'm able to see what you're presenting now, but I'm not able to see where I am logging in.
Okay. Okay.
Your screen we can see. That's no problem.
But you are not able to see your screen, all these questions?
Through the through my login.
Oh, okay. So let me check that for you. Let me check that for you. So after discussion, we will definitely check that.
Okay.
Yeah. So if you see those questions are ready, 7 chapters, first 7 chapters questions are ready. And then there is one mock right now available. And slowly when we will reach to month end, March end, you will have all 4 mock available. So you can try it in 4 sittings or 5 sittings based on your requirement. But I will suggest attempt mock only after we complete this marathon meeting. Yeah. Okay, so that's how this works. What we will do tomorrow again, we will have a first 5 minutes about this question 1. Let me check for everyone first why the question banks are not available to you guys. I will check that.
Yes, sir. Even I am only able to access chapter number 1 only.
Not the other chapters.
No, I have already enrolled way before the same day.
Okay, and you have also done the CFA ESG question bank ESGPro. This question bank.
1 second. Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Yeah, this also I too could able to see the question bank. I got it.
Okay. So we'll check that for you guys. And tomorrow again, we will have 5 minutes of session on the same. Make sense?
Okay, sir.